Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to unbox the November 2019 Tombow VIP Box. And I'm excited for one of the products that it's in here. I already know which, at least one product, and I'm really excited about that one, so I can't wait to see the rest. Ooh. Oh, okay. So it looks like the theme is peace and love. Okay, so here is the little sneak peek of what's in the box, and I'm not going to show you, but this is what I was super excited about. This packaging is really cool. These are the new Tombow ABT Pro, and they are alcohol-based markers, and this is the basic palette, and I love the colors that come in this palette. And I'm actually going to swatch them, but I'm going to do that at the end. And this is, ooh, I love a tote bag. I love these. And this is so cute. Peace, love, Tombow. And for those of you who don't know, Tombow means dragonfly in Japanese. That's why I have a bunch of dragonflies. I love. Can we get a shirt of this too? Because I love it. Okay. And then we get a blender pen, which is kind of the same thing as the regular Tombow dual brush pens. These are dual tip too, but the bottom is chisel. And of course, a brush tip. And marker pads. I love these. These are from Strathmore, and actually these are really good for people who want to practice lettering. They're smooth and soft and perfect for lettering. I wouldn't say that these are for lettering, but you could try it. And since I want to keep that for traveling, I'm not gonna, oh, and just so you know, this palette is bigger. That's why we get a bigger box. I have another, the usual one smaller here. This one is twice the size. So super exciting. I don't want to swatch this because I want to put this in my backpack. And let's see the prices. So wow. Okay. So this is the ABT Pro Basic 12-pack set, and the retail price for this is $69.99. Now the box is $25, and that is, oh my God, that's an awesome deal. That's like almost 3 times the price of the box. The blender pen is $5.99, and the tote is $7.99, and the paper pad is actually free from Strathmore. And I love Strathmore paper. I love this theme. Really awesome. Okay. So this is my Archer and Olive journal. The pages are really thick, but alcohol markers do bleed through. I actually have a little something that I made. Wait, I always have a hot mess. So this is one of the pieces that I made with the ABT Pros, and just to show you that they do bleed through a little bit, so always use paper or something to cover your next page. And also, I wouldn't recommend these for bullet journaling. These are really awesome to color stamps, for art. Okay, it's sealed. Let me open. Oh dear. And you have to store these horizontally. That's all the markers. And yeah, dual tip with brush and chisel tip, flexible nylon brush, fast drying ink. That's true. they do dry really fast and there's no smudging. So maybe for people that are left-handed and have trouble. Oh wait. Okay, actually this is really cool. And I love this idea because then you can like stack them on your shelf. I love these colors, they're really pretty. Love this kind of turquoise color. Yellows are my absolute favorite. Okay. So this is P025. And if you want to see art with these, I haven't posted anything yet, but Katie Smith, she's on the Tombow team. She has posted a few amazing things with them. This is P127, and I am sorry, I am shaking because I've had so much caffeine. And this is P245. And I think these are pretty buildable, which is really good. I hate when you need to have like 5 variations of one marker just to get a smooth transition. It's very annoying, so I like that you can keep adding color to these. And this is the P403. This is P555. Oh, I love this color. It's so rich and pretty. And this is P636. And a few of these are kind of the same colors as the dual brush pens, or at least similar. I know that 555, it's pretty similar to this one, and I know that you can layer them too. So you know what, I'm going to finish the swatching, and then I'm going to get my dual brush pens to write on top of the alcohol markers. P685, P743. Oh, and I love that one. That one is a bright neon kind of color. And make sure you buy, oh my god, if you missed your chance on getting this box, I would be sad. It's an amazing deal. P856. P907. P925. Oh, I love this one. Also very neon too. PN15. And for being alcohol markers, these actually blend really, really well. Let me pick 2 colors. Okay. Yeah. Let me add a little bit of red to this orange. And I'm just going to move the color and blend it a little bit. And they're pretty awesome to blend. Okay, let me get the dual brush pens. So 555. They actually blend really well too. So you can use them together. Which I love. I love when you can use one thing with, you know, to do many other things. I hate when you spend a lot of money and the only thing that you can do is a few things. This is the chisel tip. to you. I love it. So there you go. That is the November 2019 Tombow VIP box, and it's a really, really, really good one. And remember that if you don't get the markers, or actually if you don't get this box, the markers will eventually come out. You'll have to wait a few weeks, and of course they'll have a deal, but it won't be as good as an amazing deal as this. So thank you so much for watching. Don't lose the chance to get this box. I'm gonna have an affiliate link below. You don't get charged extra. I just get a little bit of commission for showing this to you. So thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome and peaceful day. Bye.